Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kiara Adriana Dipa Sapira. I'm a student majoring in Arabic language education and I'm a first semester student. Today I will do a course assessment and will explain about what are interesting facts about Indonesian culture. Not too much, I will just mention about 5 facts. Out of is acquired a bit, but the facts that I mentioned definitely will make you more proud to be Indonesian citizen. So let's get it. First, Indonesia is one of the largest archipelagic countries in the world. Perhaps you have often heard about this fact, right? However, did you know that Indonesia is not only largest archipelagic country in the world, but several islands in Indonesia are also included in the six top largest island in the world. The three islands in question namely is island of Kalimantan, Sumatra, and Papua. Secondly, Indonesia is the most ethnic in the world. Currently, it's known that there are more 740 ethnic groups in Indonesia, of which 270 are on island Papua alone. In addition, Indonesia is also a country with the most regional language, where there are 583 regions of 67 main languages used by various ethnic groups in Indonesia. Third, this is about sport, y'all. Which is Indonesia's most Thomas Cup winning country? The Thomas Cup is the largest international badminton championship, which is held every 2 years. In total, the Thomas Cup Indonesia team has brought home 13 trophies. The first time they won in 1958 and the last in 2002. Last but not least, the fourthly, Indonesia's own the world's largest mangrove forest. In Indonesia, the area of mangrove forest reached 2.5 until 4.5 million hectares, thus positioning Indonesia as the country with the largest mangrove forest area in the world, followed by Brazil, Nigeria, Australia, and New Zealand. Approximately, the area of Indonesia's mangrove forest reached 25% of the total mangrove forest in the world. Lastly, gamelan becomes a school curriculum in developed country. Believe it or not, this gamelan is not only developed in Indonesia but also in several other developed countries, such as Singapore, America, Japan, and New Zealand. In Singapore, gamelan and keroncong have now been included in the school curriculum in their country. In almost all schools in Singapore, gamelan and keroncong is now a compulsory subject for elementary schools, and in almost all areas of Singapore there is gamelan. How the explanation was pretty enough and fun, right? Don't forget to take care of yourself, wearing mask, and stay hydrated too. Lastly, I apologize if there are many wrong words while explaining. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.